Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video we are going to discuss how you can add two buttons in your Divi WordPress website. Let me log in into my demo website. Here we can add /wp-admin to log in into our WordPress website. Then here we can install a plugin, and here you can see in the free WordPress plugin library, just we can type Divi, and here we will find all the plugins related to Divi WordPress theme. So just we can install the second one. This is called Divi SuperMe plugin. Now we can activate this plugin. Then let's go back to the pages, and here we can view this page on the front side. And after that, let's enable Divi Fuel Builder. And here you can see these are the designs that are made with the Divi Fuel Builder. So you can create any type of design using this builder. Now scroll down and we can add a new section. Here you can see plus icon. Just click here, and after that add a regular section. Then here I can add two column row, and after that search for button. Now here you can see this is also a button module, but this will add one button, and this is SuperMe button. Just add, and after that here we can add text, for example button 1 and then button 2. And after that just click here links. Then for the button 1 link, just we can link it with enable website design. Then for the second button, just click here, and after that now link another website. Now if you want to open URL in the new window, just you can see here option, click here, and scroll down. These are some other options. Then separator, and here we can add separator text, for example. So here you can see this is called separator text. Then go to design tab, and after that these are some alignment options, and after that light box, and here you can see button 1, button 2. So if you want to change and apply custom styles, for example if you want to change text color, background color, for example if you want to change background color, just click here, and here you can see background color is changed. Then scroll down, you can also add border. Now here you can see border color is red, and if you want to change text color, just you can go, and here is the text color. So in this way you can easily customize your button design according to your requirement. Also you can change button typography options, for example if you want to change font size, font family, and you can also add box shadow, then animations. Then click on three dots and save it.